Hi guys! Welcome to our channel Try to DIY. I'm Shynes.
And I'm Camille. And in today's video, we're super excited because we're bringing you to Elodie's apartment, which is our friend, and we will help her to renovate her bedroom.
So now let's start and go to her place.
Salut!
So as you can see, her bedroom kind of feels bare and unwelcoming.
Yeah, totally a cold ambience.
So this is why we're gonna help her out.
So of course the first step was budget planning and shopping, which is my favorite part, but not Shan's one.
T'as dit qu'action c'était bien. J'ai la preuve en vidéo.
Il n'y a personne le matin. We start by emptying the room completely.
And we got rid of everything we wouldn't keep or reuse.
So I don't want to die right now, so I'm gonna cut the power first. So we need to move the heater a little bit more to the left. Right now, there's no way for us to center the bed and then walk between the bed and that heater. You always want to check what's behind your wall and drill in the right place.
We want to create more light in Elodie's bedroom. This is why
you see us rewiring the electrical cable for us to be able to set up a new light system.
Bon, le but de ce matin, c'est que toutes les saignées là soient rebouchées et puis on fera les finitions après.
it's time to prep for the paint. We are marking an area in the bedhead section that includes part of the walls on both sides and some of the ceiling to give the room an effect of depth. And special thanks to V33 who sent us the paint. It was really easy to apply, the coverage was amazing, and the end result was like, you know, like when you're walking into a luxurious hotel, same feeling.
Thanks again!
Thank you!
We are going to use the exact same color to paint the opposite side of the room. We didn't want to buy black switches or brackets,
Because it's so expensive here in France, it doesn't make any sense.
so that's why Camille is going to
Just spray painting them in black to match the wall.
Here I'm just assembling one of the light fixture.
If you watch our previous videos, you probably know I really like the mix of black and gold. So here I'm taking a very simple metal light fixture. I'm adding a little bit of gold so it will stand out more on the black wall, and as usual, it's the perfect match. Black plus gold.
Okay, now it's time to install all the light fixture. This little thingy here is something that you can screw to the ceiling. And then you can pass a cable through it.
It's really useful with displaying the light how you want in the space. Now that we have enough space on both sides of the bed, but not enough to put a big side table, we are DIYing side tables from a piece of wood. The project for this side of the wall is to create an open wardrobe. But before we do that, we are decorating it with wooden batten to make it more unique.
So now it's time for Camille to do all the little small touches.
We used every last minute we had left before Elodie came back to make sure all those details were perfect before the reveal. Ferme les yeux. Ça va bien. Tu penses que tu as une très bonne idée de ce qu'on a fait ou tu penses que tu sais pas au final? Oui, t'as l'impression. Ok. T'es prête? 1, 2, 3. C'est magnifique. Ah non mais arrête, c'est trop beau. Oh, Camille, mais oh là là. Bravo, non mais bravo. Non mais bravo, parce que la terrasse je savais, mais là je savais pas.
So yes, you heard that right.
Not only we made her bedroom makeover, but we also restored her outdoor patio with a little bit of decoration, of course. Stay posted to see this video because it's coming really soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!